Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Bianca Belair, formerly the WWE Women's World Champion and widely known as the EST of WWE. After a big run in the ring and a string of headline matches, fans are wondering, where is she now? Let's break it all down. Bianca Belair is a top WWE superstar who got her start in 2016. She's known for her athleticism, charisma, and signature long braid. Over her career, she became a multi-time women's champion. She also made history by completing the WWE Triple Crown in 2024 when she added the Women's Tag Team Championship to her list of accolades. Outside the ring, she's married to fellow WWE wrestler Montez Ford, starred in a reality show with him, Love and Bianca and Montez, and has become a fan favorite for her in and out-of-ring presence. At WrestleMania 41 inches 2025, Bianca was in a high-stakes triple threat match that cost her her undefeated WrestleMania streak. She wrestled through with a hand injury, but after the event, she was diagnosed with a broken finger that required time off. Since then, she's been absent from regular WWE TV while recovering. Though out of action, she did return in a non-wrestling role, serving as special referee for a major match, Jade Cargill vs. Naomi at Evolution, showing she's still connected to the product. Where is Bianca Belair now? As of now, Bianca is expected to be medically cleared to return to in-ring competition very soon. Reports say she may be back as early as the SmackDown episode following WWE SummerSlam 2025. Once she returns, she's likely to step back into either the Women's World Championship picture or tag team title scenes. Her focus right now has been on recovery, maintaining her presence, and getting ready for what should be a big comeback. Bianca Belair took a tough blow when injury sidelined her, but it looks like she's right on the verge of stepping back under the spotlight. She's always been someone who backs up her words with performance recovering, staying sharp, and preparing. When she returns, expectations will be high, and WWE fans will be ready. What match do you want to see from her first back on TV? Let me know in the comments.